Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by fixing the network basics you can control. You should plug the Xbox controller host or PC into Ethernet when possible. Wired reduces packet loss and jitter dramatically. Once done, move Wi-Fi devices to 5 GHz or adjust your router's COS to prioritize Xbox cloud ports. Make sure background backups and VPNs are paused. They eat bandwidth and spike latency. You'll see input lag drop. Because steady throughput and low jitter, let the cloud server send frames and inputs more reliably. Next, tune your devices so they don't introduce delay. You should match stream quality to actual bandwidth, lower from 4K to 1080p or 720p if needed, because fewer bits equals lower compression latency. Enable hardware video decoding in the Xbox app or browser to offload work from the CPU, which reduces frame processing time. Update your network card drivers, router firmware, and Xbox app, then reboot. Transient issues often clear, and the pipeline runs smoother when everything is current. Finish by validating performance and applying final fixes. You should run a speed and ping test, looking for stable throughput and under 50 milliseconds latency. If results are poor, move your router, reduce wireless interference, or try another server region. Once done, power cycle modem and router to clear caches and renegotiate links. If lag persists after these steps, contact your ISP to check packet loss or contention. They can identify upstream problems that no local tweak will resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.